ready for this jump, bro?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Right, I'm gonna light it and then we're gonna run back here. This the big one, man.
All right, cool. Yeah.
There you go. Go. Wait, what happened?
You lit it, right?
Yeah, I lit it.
Go check it.
Why I gotta go check it?
You want it lit it? Don't be a wuss, man. Come on, go check it. Go check it.
Dang.
Go light it. Go
All
light
right,
it.
here you go. All right, we got it. You smell something?
You know what?
Yeah, man. Me and dude headed to your house right now. Whoa. Yeah, we got that big Texas. Boom. Don't tell nobody though. Yeah, bro. We finna. That giant's finna. We finna blow up. We finna light up the neighborhood as if the sky had the night shift, bro. Anyway, yeah, I'll call you when we get there. All right, bro. Yeah, come on, man. We got it's 4th of July now. We gotta come on now. You know what we do. Yeah. Get some of this, bro. Yeah, bro.
I mean, I got to. It's 4th of July. Come on.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And make sure you check out some of our other videos we got here too.